back.
After a year hiatus?
Yeah, took a year off. That's how long it takes to polish these wheels. Those look deadly. Look at the shine.
Oh, I didn't clean the car that much.
Yeah.
I was clawing at the doors trying to get up underneath it all the time.
So what did you change under here?
It would never cool properly because I had that overflow from Audi, and I didn't have a proper rad hose. The rad cap was on it, and it was too low, so the coolant would always flow into it and never come back.
Mm-hmm.
So now I put a rad hose here, and this no longer goes to that. This is just an overflow bottle now, and night and day. This is plugged off. This used to be where I had it went. Now I plugged it.
Oh, okay.
That was just the regular hose, but I just cut it and added that
okay, yeah.
fucking Chinese thing in there, and night and day. Now it runs cold, and you can idle it, and the minute it starts to get warm, turn the fans on, and
nice.
It just would never have enough.
It was never a capacity thing. It was
no, it was a coolant would always end up in the overflow and never
draw back. Okay. Oh, that's good. That's more important than horsepower is reliability.
Wow, yeah, just there was some touch-ups, but it had been 13 years since I put the motor in, or 12 years. I hadn't done anything good.
Nice. And gear change this year.
Yeah, I was way too much worried about fuel economy at one point. Yeah, I went from 300 to 370.
Yeah.
Which is still not an aggressive gear, but it's not a really tall tire either. So, but with a 5-speed, like
that was nice. I think this is the first car we put the sticker on.
Yeah, you know what? It might have been.
That's like the first Cold War motor sticker. Sounds like a car that's coming here. I think this is still the most popular video I ever made.
Oh yeah?
The first ones with the old engine in still.
Yeah. And then 40 by 60 resolution.
Yeah, 240 resolution or whatever it was. Yeah.
The whole video is probably 6 meg.
Yeah, car's holding up very well. When did you buy this thing? Like 1996?
No, I bought it when I sold
99?
I had that blue Mustang, that 5.0 I got rid of. And I bought this, I think it was 2001.
Okay. Yeah.
From a guy in California who was going to sell it to scrap for $500 for the California Crush Your Car deal.
Yeah.
I put a hood on it, the bumpers are still over by that tree there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was a good way to lose a couple 100 pounds. Nice. Did you see the Top Gear where Richard Hammond bought one?
I know, I'm like, dude, you copied me.
He even painted it the same, kind of, yeah.
It's hilarious. I had to watch that whole episode as soon as I saw that little thing pop up.
Yeah.
I think it was Amazon TV or whatever.
That was the, what do they call that? The Grand Tour, right?
Yeah.
That was the thing they did after Top Gear.
Yeah, they just hammered the thing down to the freaking washboard. It was probably an ideal climate.
Sounds awesome. The wheels look so good. Thanks, bud. We won't be very long. last time I was in this thing?
Been a while.
So nice to not be staring at the temp gauge all the time.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. It's right where it needs to be.
Now you can stare at it out of satisfaction.
Yeah, such a minor thing, right?
No, we've all had cars where all we do is look at the temp gauge. My temp gauge car is the Citroen.
Yeah. It's
that thing. I
like,
literally...
just what a design, eh? They didn't give you any
the trouble is that it draws lots of air off the road, but that's where the hottest air is. So when you're sitting in traffic and it's plus 30, all it's sucking in is air that's not even any cooler than the engine, especially if it's black pavement. Way better.
Oh, I'm just breathing.
Oh yeah, but I mean, yeah, that's really nice. Yeah. Yeah, it really goes good. That's what it needed the whole time. I hear a little bit of diff noise on the backlash, but that's it.
Yeah, it's
good.
not.
You know,
it's
it
not
almost
unusable.
It feels torquier because it's using the cam a bit now.
Oh, you felt it when it comes on.
Oh yeah, no, it really goes. Yeah, no, that's really fun. Yeah. So once you get it dialed, it's going to be awesome.
And that's in third gear. You do that in first or second.
Yeah. No, it'll go. That's really
Down
fun.
to 170 or 65.
Yeah, it'll just put where it wants to be. Still with the stock wheel.
Yeah. Yeah, you have a hard time stalling this thing at a set of lights now.
Yeah, I'd say. Okay, good. Well, thanks for bringing it over. That was fun. Hey, Boo Boo. Okay. A regular contributor.
Same old shit.